We're doing it again. And you're coming with me. Are you ready? Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and welcome to season 5 of the new RV Adventures of RVJedeye. This is going to be absolutely fantastic. So much to do this year. It's going to start with me going back down south. Got to pick up my RV in Florida. Going to drive it back after I de-winterize it. And then I'm going to explore the area. So, this is a new place for me. It's a new adventure. So much to do. So many great places to check out. We're going to continue to finish exploring down south. Still some places that I want to take you to and show off to you. And that includes revisiting some parks that I originally went to many years ago and took a second look at once again and discovered how beautiful they still really were. Hey, just a reminder, if you like the content that you're seeing here on the show, make sure you click and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and anytime a new video comes out, you'll be notified right away. And we're gonna chef it up for sure. Lots of new recipes coming your way. Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and we are making a great meal tonight. We're gonna do some spicy chicken wings on the grill. And we're gonna learn what exploring Wisconsin is all about in an RV. I'm doing something I've never done before. I'm checking out an RV show here in Green Bay. Just one of the many things that are gonna happen here on the show this year.
It's really a one-stop shop to get everybody really excited about summertime and vacation and relaxing and warm weather. When it's snowing out, you think about the warm stuff.
So that's going to do it for season 5, episode 1 of the new RV Adventures of RVJedeye. I hope you are so excited about what's coming up because we got a lot to do this year. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can follow me all over social media at RVJedeye, and then of course on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, have a blast. Come along for the ride for season 5.